Alright, I'm going to do my review of this DeWalt DWMT72162. It's a half-inch drive SAE and metric system. Has 25 pieces. Comes in this plastic little case. Easy to open with a razor blade. Just move it around the side. And it comes in a normal DeWalt type carrying case. The latches seem pretty sturdy. There it is. Decent fill. Real solid filling. I believe these are made in Taiwan. A lot better than that Chinese stuff you can buy. Pretty solid. Yeah, the carrying case, kind of impressed with it. They're all on these little keepers with a metal rail there that the sockets actually fit onto. Seems like that's pretty handy. Goes on and off decently easy. The release on it seems to function quite well. Let's see. It's a decent little set. Also have the 3/8 set and a quarter. They're all basically like the half-inch style. Easy to read sockets. Get that thing to focus. And a solid fill ratchet. Well made. As you can see, it fits into the smaller Craftsman toolbox quite well. Alright. Do other reviews here as I use them. Try them out on vehicles. Thanks.